Imagine a future where the world's most advanced electric car company builds the ultimate home on wheels. This is the 2026 Tesla Motorhome, a creation that doesn't just move, but redefines travel itself. Picture sleek, aerodynamic lines flowing across a futuristic silhouette that looks more like a spaceship than an RV. With a body sculpted from ultra-lightweight aluminum and reinforced carbon fiber, the Tesla Motorhome isn't built for the campsite. It's built for the open road, for the wanderers, the dreamers, and the pioneers of tomorrow. Inside, Tesla transforms minimalism into magic. The interior feels like stepping into the future. Panoramic glass ceilings, smart ambient lighting that syncs with your mood, and vegan leather seats that adjust themselves to your posture. The living area is a masterpiece of Tesla's design philosophy. Every inch is optimized, every curve purposeful. With touchscreen control panels seamlessly integrated into the walls, you can dim lights, adjust climate zones, or even deploy solar panels with a single tap. Speaking of power, this isn't your ordinary motorhome. The 2026 Tesla Motorhome runs on a next-generation tri-motor setup capable of delivering instant torque and whisper-quiet acceleration. It can tow, climb, and conquer without a drop of fuel. Its massive solid-state battery pack promises over 600 miles of range on a single charge, while Tesla's latest solar array roof continuously feeds energy back into the system, letting you camp off-grid for days without worry. Imagine waking up in the middle of the desert, mountains, or a forest, and your home is fully charged, silently powered by the sun. Autonomy is at the heart of Tesla's innovation, and the motorhome takes it to the next level. Full self-driving capability means you can set your destination, relax, and let your mobile home glide across the highways with precision and safety. It's not just a vehicle, it's a companion that learns your preferences, from temperature and route selection to entertainment choices. Even when you stop, Tesla's AI home system keeps you connected, adjusting your power usage and interior comfort automatically. Step outside, and the Tesla Motorhome's exterior becomes an experience on its own. With deployable awnings, drone docking stations, and built-in security cameras, it's designed for both comfort and safety. The LED matrix lighting system adapts to the environment, whether you're parked on a quiet beach or cruising down the Pacific Coast Highway at sunset. The Tesla Motorhome looks like a glowing symbol of the future. This isn't just travel.